TJ Allen. I work for Chicks General Contracting. Boss man woke me up this morning. It was about 40 degrees, and he had me rinse off the Cadillac, and didn't know why. Well, he sent me up to the car show and told me to try to sell it today. So here we are with the 1966 Fleetwood limousine edition. Cadillac made 875 of these. It's mechanically been completely done, redone. But if you want to start up front, got all the original gauges and everything, all works. Antenna comes up when you turn the radio on. And then back here in the back, you have the fold up seat. So that way you can hold, you got 7-8 people you could squeeze in here. And then you fold it down and you got this nice footrest. You can control the middle window. Back here you can control the radio up here. And then there's a separate heating and AC unit that's hidden back here in the trunk.
What year is it again?
66. And then enough trunk space to move a whole house if you wanted to.
Okay. Well, this is pretty cool.
She's for sale.
Yeah, what do you get for that?
17.5 is what we're looking for.
Starts and runs and drives and stops?
Yes, sir.
Doesn't overheat?
Got her on 295 and 95 on the way here.
Huh? Okay, man, I appreciate your time. Thank you.